Hi beauties, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I definitely am. It is nice outside, it is sunny for once in a long time, so really excited about that. It just always, you know, the sun always just makes me in a better mood, makes me feel better. But if you're new here and you would like to become part of our beauty family, just hit that subscribe button. But today's video is going to be a little bit different. I thought it would be a really kind of fun activity and something different that I've never done before. So what I'm gonna do today is basically pick my makeup out of bags and mix and match, and it'll just be kind of like a surprise as to what I pick out, and then we're just gonna put it all together. So I have my eyebrows, my concealer, my foundation, and my powder on, and as well as my bronzer. And the rest we're just going to pick out. So I think it'll be really fun. I'll see how this goes. It could be a hot mess express, but you know what? It's a fun activity, and what else is there to do during quarantine? So let's go ahead and get on into it. I thought we would start off with eyeshadow first. I have all of my eyeshadows in this little holographic bag, my eyeshadow palettes. And what I'm gonna do is go kind of throughout my eye look. And so for instance, the first one that we'll do is my crease shade. So what I'm gonna do is pull out a palette, and then within that palette, just pick an eyeshadow randomly. So let's go ahead and just pick out an eyeshadow palette first. Oh, okay. So we have the main squeeze palette. This should be interesting. Okay, so this palette is very bright. So this will be interesting to see what kind of crease shade I pick out. Fun! Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just blindly pick an eyeshadow. Okay, that one's not too bad. Like It's Hot, that's the shade that I picked. So let's go ahead and put that in my crease. Okay, so that shade is on, looking very, very bright, very fun. So now that I've used that palette, I'm gonna go ahead and just set that one aside and dig back into the bag for my next shade. So the next shade that I'm gonna use is one for my outer corner. So let's go ahead and dig into the bag. Oh, the Gingerbread palette. This is one of my favorite by Too Faced. Okay. So this one has like some neutrals, some bright colors. It's a super fun palette. Highly recommend. Okay, so let's go ahead and pick out that shade. Oh, this one isn't bad. So this is the shade Bake It Till You Make It. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my outer corners. Okay, so I think that that actually looks pretty good. It is a tad messy right now, but I'll clean that up later. So now that we've used this, I'm gonna go ahead and just set that one aside, and let's go ahead and get back into the bag. Oh, okay. This one is by Pure. Okay, so next shade, what I'm gonna do is do my lid shade next. Okay, so this one I have not used a ton. I honestly don't remember what shades are in here. So this is by Pure, Be Your Selfie. I honestly forgot I had this one. And here are the shades. So pretty fun. Hopefully I can find a good crease or a good lid shade. Ooh, yes. So this is the shade Charming. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on my lid. Oh my gosh, guys, why is this looking so good? I was fully prepared for this to be like a weird rainbow kind of lid look or something, but why is it, this is looking so good? Okay, so real talk, I'm scared about the next eyeshadow that I'm picking because this is going to be my lash line eyeshadow. So underneath my eyelashes. So let's see how this goes. Okay, the peach palette. Not bad, not bad. All right, here are the shades. So pretty neutral shades, so hopefully I pick a good one. Oh, yes, just peachy. This is perfect. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This is seriously looking so good. What? How did I get this lucky? I am shocked. This is actually like a look I would wear. So yes, yes. Okay, so this is my last eyeshadow that I'm picking. So this is also one that makes me nervous. This is actually gonna go in my inner corner. Oh, okay. The So Jaded palette, which is one of my favorites, I have to say, but this one has a ton of variety. Ooh, Lord help. All right, here we go. Okay, not as bad as it could have been. Rose Quartz, not the best inner corner shade. I wish I would have picked this one, but we're just gonna have to go with it. Okay, I mean, I feel like that didn't do a ton, but it did something. It looks very matte in my inner corner. So what I'm gonna do is just blend everything together and then I'll be right back. I'm seriously shook. Like, how did I do this? I should do this more often. Okay, so next step is going to be blush. So I have all of my blushes in a little bag, so let's go ahead and pick one out. So this is my bag of blushes. Let's go ahead and mix it up. All right, here we go. Okay, not bad. So this is Pixi by Petra. This is the shade Whisper Pink. This is their Fresh Face Blush. Okay, that went surprisingly well. Like, how? I am still shooketh. So next one is my highlight. So I have all of my highlights in this bag with the exception of my highlight palettes because like I would know which ones those were. So let's go ahead and dig in. Okay, not bad, not bad. So this is the Wet n Wild Rainbow Highlighter in Everlasting Glow. So this is a like pink, white, kind of a shimmery highlight. Okay, yes. Again, very shook that this turned out well. I feel like the colors go really well together because it is like a pinky kind of glow. So this is perfect. All right, so what I'm gonna do next, just off camera, is apply my mascara because I only have like a few, so I didn't think that would be fun to pick one out, and they're all black. So, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that and I'll be right back. So next up, oh, this is gonna be a bad one. I can just feel it. So what I'm gonna do is use that little pineapple holder that has almost all of my lipsticks, except for about like 5 or 6. And I'm going to spin it and pick one out randomly. So let's see how this goes. All right. Oh, not my favorite. But that's okay. This is the whole point of this. So this lipstick is from the Beauty Crop. It is their Lip Brulee, and this is a high shine lip cream, and this is in the shade Red Velvet. So like the packaging is super cute on this. It's supposed to be like, you know, like icing. So really cute. The formula is just not my favorite. And I really don't know how this shade is gonna look. It's very bright red. So I'm just gonna, I'm just not sure about this one. Okay guys, this is the completed look. What do you guys think? The lipstick isn't as bad as I thought it would be, but it's still not something that I would ever like pair up with this eyeshadow look or like this look in general. Just would not be my first would not be my first pick at all. I have to say, I am a huge fan of this eyeshadow look. I'm very surprised that it actually looks like a normal look and that the colors like go together. So maybe that just means that I gravitate towards certain eyeshadow palettes. But I do think it was very impressive that this actually looked okay. Obviously with the exception of the lipstick, which maybe I did that to myself because I said I could tell it was gonna be a bad one. Just because there are so many options. I have blues, blacks, purples, greens. I have all of the things in there. So I just was like, oh, I bet I'm gonna get some weird color, which, I mean, this is a warm tone lipstick, so not terrible. So I really think I'm gonna wear like this look again, the eyeshadow. The only thing that I think I will change is putting like a shimmery white or cream color in my inner corner, just because you really want to use really light colors to brighten up your eye, and your eyes look wider that way and they look bigger. And then obviously I would change my lipstick. I think maybe a nude color would look perfect with this makeup look. Other than that, I think everything looked great. The blush, the highlight, like everything looked great. So I'm very surprised. I honestly was expecting like a hot mess. But I'm really excited that it turned out good. And now that I know that this actually looks good, I'm definitely gonna wear this look again. Like that Pure palette, I honestly forgot that I had it, and I think this is a fun way to kind of revisit old makeup that you have, or maybe makeup that you haven't tried out in a while or haven't tried out before. I think it's a perfect opportunity to really just get into your makeup and play with it again. So I really liked doing this, and I'm definitely gonna wear this look again. I am obsessed. I feel like this was a nice mental break for me. It was really relaxing. I love doing my makeup, and just playing with it again, it just brings me a lot of joy. But that is all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video really soon. Bye!